Hello, my name is David Garcia, and I'm an agricultural statistician with USDA NASA's Pacific Regional Office. Today, we'd like to take time to review government payments and other farm-related income within the ARMS 3 survey. Within the ARMS 3 questionnaire, we obtained data for cash sales for crop and livestock, marketing, production contract income, and direct sales. Government payments and other activities such as custom work, agritourism, and insurance payments contribute to a farm's income and bottom line. Please account for the income that's relevant to the operation on the label. Government payments and other farm income covers any sources of income that we haven't addressed thus far. All other income questions apply to all respondents, so please follow skip instructions carefully. We start out the section by asking about CCC loans. So what is a CCC loan? A Commodity Credit Corporation loan is a marketing assistance loan meant to help stabilize and support farm prices and income. They do this by providing interim financing at the time of harvest. Farmers utilize the crop as collateral and can either pay back the loan by selling the crop, prices go up, or deliver the crop to satisfy the loan if prices stay the same or drop. CCC loans are available for several crops. There's a list that you can find within the interviewer's manual. And there are some little more uncommon crops in there as well, like graded or non-graded wool, mohair, unshorn pelts, and honey. First part of question 2 asks about whether the operation received federal, state, or local farm program payments. Do not include CCC loan payments when it comes to farm program payments. If payment was received, then they would ask about how much was received in loan deficiency payments and marketing loan gains. Next, we will define the terms for Conservation Reserve Program, environmental quality incentives, and conservation stewardship programs. The Conservation Reserve Program is a voluntary conservation program that removes environmentally sensitive agricultural land from farming or ranching production. The landowner enters a 10 to 15-year contract that establishes resource conservation in exchange for an annual payment per acre. The next is Environmental Quality Incentive Program, EQIP, which is a voluntary conservation program on land that is in production. NRCS administers this program that conserves natural resources while improving agricultural operations. NRCS co-invests in the implementation cost. The next program is Conservation Stewardship Program, CSP, which is a 5-year conservation program administered by NRCS on land that is in production. Specific conservation objectives are identified, like crop rotation, cover crop, or grazing management. There are other conservation programs, including Wetland Reserve, or WRP, Grassland Reserve, GRP, Agricultural Conservation Easement Program, ACEP, the Soil Health and Income Protection Program, or SHIP, the Regional Conservation Partnership Program, RCPP, the Small Watershed Rehabilitation Program, and the Feral Swine Eradication and Control Pilot Program. Within question 2C, this asks about different types of disaster relief programs. These 4 programs, defined on the earlier slides, helps financially assist farmers. Question 2, part D, would ask if there are other federal, state, or local program payments. If there are none, please check the none box. Now, we would first define the various types of government programs that would help farmers or producers financially. Price loss coverage, PLC payments, are issued when the effective crop is less than the program reference price. Next is agricultural risk coverage, ARC. Agricultural risk coverage, ARC, is an income support program tied to the historical base acres. Payments are issued when the Actual county crop revenue falls below the guarantee for that crop. Revenue equals county yield times price. Dairy margin coverage, DMC, is a risk management program for dairy producers, which offers protection from falling margins between the all milk price and the average feed price. The next is disaster payments, which include emergency funding made available after severe weather, drought, or fire. Do not include federal crop insurance policy payments. Next, as we're moving through the questionnaire, we have now reached the other farm-related income in question 3. All other farm-related income is our catch-all for any income not previously reported. All income reported here must be part of this operation. And please be sure to exclude income received as part of another business, such as an 85-45 type situation, or from off-farm income, or even household income. When we ask about custom work income, we want to include any activity where this operation provides both labor and the machine for a fee. An example would be custom harvest of corn silage for a smaller dairy in the area. Your farm operation provides the machine operator and chopper for a fee per acre or a ton of silage harvested. If it's a sizable amount of money, please probe to make sure that it's not a separate business. Grazing of livestock is when you allow someone else's livestock to be grazed on your land on a per head or short-term basis. Do not include any income reported from rented acres. When we get to the insurance indemnity payments question, make sure to pay close attention to the includes statements. We want to include payments from crop insurance, hail insurance, vehicle and equipment insurance policies, and even a homeowner's policy if the home is part of the operation. Looking at all other farm income, there is a long list of potential income in the questionnaire and also within the interviewer's manual. Income received from hedging, manure sales, value-added products such as cheese or jam, and even cell phone towers or maintenance roads. Be aware of other incomes common in your area. Question 4 asks about if the total gross value of sales came from either crops or livestock. If the operation had no sales reported, choose crop if the value of cropland on the operation goes beyond the value of any livestock. Otherwise, choose livestock in this case. However, in the case that both crops and livestock sales are equal, please ask the operation if they consider themselves more of a crop or livestock operation. Filling out this section will help measure income other than crop and livestock sales, and allows us to measure and quantify government payments and other farm income contributing to a farm's bottom line. Thank you for your time today. If you have any additional questions about government payments and other farm income, please reach out to your regional field office. Thank you and have a great day.